Do like this.
Katil.
You join like this. Okay? When you join like this, then what will happen? So with the help of meter scale, you can add it. So this one will be L1 is equal to L1. Right? Now after this, what to do? On the plane surface, you are taking the reading first. Plane surface, you are taking the reading. Then afterward,
So dear parents, greetings from St. Xavier High School. Now these are the students of class 11 and they are doing their physics practical. But there are certain number of students who are not present in this class, and I have seen in class 12 also one CBSE as per the board requirement one practical has been performed, but the children were absent today. So I request to all parents, please start sending your children regularly. Every Saturday we will do the practical exam of physics and chemistry, and these practicals and experiment will be performed in the laboratory, and this will be also done the assessment. It will help them to score good marks in the board examination. So we the teacher, because we are having a very tight schedule, there will not be any repetition of the experiment. If the child remains absent, in that case that will be a loss to the child and will not be able to do well in his examination. So that's why I request every parent, please, that always send your children, especially on Saturday, as we will have the that experiments and practicals on that day. Thank you. Have a good day.